Antonio Valero is my name, and I'm a resident of Pasco. I had numerous questions actually, but since we're also limited on this time, on this most important issue, which is really, to be honest with you, concerns me, that we're limited to 3 minutes, we're limited to one question, and you know, to fully express what is really, if you truly wanted a listening session, you should schedule a whole day to listen, not just 3 minutes, one question. So, just a general comment and my opinion. But anyhow,
And again, just a reminder that we want to make sure we have limit our outbursts, please. We really want to make sure that we have a limited agenda when we respect everyone's time. And again, we want to reiterate, tomorrow from 9 to 12 will be ample opportunity. Mr. Sands is making himself available, so our local, the chief of police will be available for.
and I don't think that anybody here would have a problem being here all day voicing their concerns, whether they want to ask 5 questions or speak for 10 minutes.
Yeah,
So that's your limit, yes. Just want to clarify that, okay, because I think that's important. Well, I did have 5 questions, but since I'm limited to 1, I'll go ahead and ask one. You can choose, I guess, eeny, meeny, miny, mo, and there's a question I